This is a traditional herbal cough drop popular in Chinese medicine. It's called Ba Qian Guo, or 8 Immortals fruit, and not only does it soothe sore throats, it also dispels phlegm. Its unique process includes cleaning out a pomelo and filling it with a variety of Chinese herbs including pinelia, Chinese licorice, and poria. While you take it like a normal cough drop, its texture and taste are quite unique. It's herbal and slightly sweet and sour with a hint of menthol. While they're super popular in southern China and Taiwan, they're completely unknown in the West. You should be able to find them at most Chinese grocery stores, and you can combine them with our herbal cold remedies.